Every 11 minutes, a fall victim is treated in the ER. Every 19 minutes, one of them dies. 2.8 million injuries, 800,000 hospitalizations, 27,000 deaths, at a cost of over $45 billion last year alone. Falling is the #1 cause of death over 65. This breakthrough device, VitalBand from Sensogram Technologies, accurately detects falls and then automatically calls and texts critical contacts and caregivers so help arrives quickly. Program any number you want called and add as many text recipients as your data plan allows. And if the wearer ever feels ill or in danger, they can simply press and hold the SOS panic button to place the same call and text for help. VitalBand also accurately monitors critical vital signs like heart rate and respiration rate, while it tracks activity, step count, calories burned, as well as letting you set medication reminders, scheduling, and alerts. VitalBand is so versatile, it's also a high-functioning sports watch as well, protecting its wearers from falls, especially when they're alone, as well as providing those essential vital signs, heart rate and respiration rate, to gauge true performance. VitalBand is reliable, durable, comfortable, fully waterproof, and easy to charge even while wearing with its simple magnetic on-wrist charger. VitalBand from Sensogram Technologies. When you fall, it calls automatically.
Teco Auto Water. Life can sometimes get messy. Teco Auto Water teaches children hand-washing habits and helps your busy household get rid of germs. It has 2 powerful sensors for on and off, with a timeout protection that stops the water automatically. The bottom sensor is for quick use. There's no need to replace your old taps, simply make them work better. With our 6 different connector sizes, it fits easily with most bathroom and kitchen faucets. Teco Auto Water is made with the highest quality materials, including brushed aluminum, as well as cutting-edge technology for a minimum of charge combined with a reliable durability. Choose between 7 colors and get water during the night without turning the main light on, thanks to our motion-sensored night light. Teco Auto Water helps control and reduces household water usage and consumption. Help us bring our green technology to millions of homes around the world. Teco Auto Water. Use only the water you need without wasting a drop.
Imagine a world where robots are a part of our daily lives. Not just building cars or doing chores, but protecting our homes and keeping us connected with our loved ones. At Avina, we've made this a reality. This is Air, the flying robot for the home. By hiding its propulsion system inside its body, we created Air specifically to work indoors and around people. With its sleek shape and fabric exterior, it fits perfectly in your home. We've made it safe enough to be around your kids, yet quiet enough not to bother you. Air is safe and easy for anyone to fly. Its many cameras and advanced computer vision let it navigate anywhere in your home. Using the app interface, simply give it a general direction and it will automatically avoid any obstacles in its way. With its cloud connectivity, you can virtually visit your home from anywhere in the world. Air can take immersive 360-degree photos showing you every detail of the room it's in. Air can stream live video, and with the ability to fly anywhere, Air lets you actively join in on family moments like never before. And with its video recording capability, you can relive those moments anytime. Air doesn't just live in your smart home, it elevates it. With Alexa integration, Air follows your voice commands. Hey Alexa, tell Air to take a photo and post it to Facebook.
3, 2, 1, say cheese.
Air can protect your home without compromising your privacy. While your existing products only notify you that something has happened, Air lets you see exactly what's going on with no more blind spots. It gives you the ability to be there anytime, anywhere. Air is the missing link for your smart home. So whether you're checking in on your loved ones or just your house, air is there every step of the way. Just imagine everything air will be able to do for you. Imagine a future with air today.
Rachio lets you take control of your watering. You can easily adjust your sprinklers at any time. Rachio waters just the right amount, and it won't water in the rain. So you can get the great yard you want while saving time and money. To start, Rachio is simple to install and easy to set up on the app. Customize your watering to your yard by plant type, soil type, sun exposure, and more. Then tap into Rachio's vast network of local weather stations to tune your watering to the latest forecasts. You're ready to take control. Keep an eye on your yard from anywhere. Rachio automatically checks weather forecasts and adjusts schedules for seasonal changes, colder temperatures, and rain, saving you up to 50% on your outdoor watering bill while helping save over 500 million gallons of water nationwide. And you'll know it works. Rachio is EPA WaterSense certified and tested to the industry's highest standards. So have time to enjoy that great yard without the wasted water or money. All with the control of Rachio.
We'll be right back.